Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. Well, this video is basically somewhat different because I am actually asking you for some help today. Now, what do I need help with? I am considering to change my YouTube channel name. Now, what do you think about this? And whatever questions I pose to you, whatever I talk to you about, especially in this video, I need you to give me some feedback. So I'm basically putting it out there to you, my loyal subscribers, and even other non-subscribers, to really tell me what you think about changing my YouTube channel name. Now I'm going to discuss, my current YouTube channel name, what it stands for, what it represents, and what I'm basically looking to change it to. Right? So let us get into it. Now my current YouTube name is C-AgriTech. And of course, the C-AgriTech stands for Mario Communicating Agriculture Technology. And Mario is obviously my first name, right? And if you look on my channel heart, my YouTube channel heart, you'll see my full name, Mario Smith, right? So C-AgriTech, Mario Communicating Agriculture Technology. Now, is this a good name? Yes, it is a good name for my YouTube channel, right? And what it is saying is, it is basically saying that I am communicating agriculture on a broader perspective, on a more general perspective. Now, what has happened over the past few months is that I have niched down basically, and I know you have heard other YouTubers with the same concern about them changing their YouTube channel and why, but I have niched down from just being like talking about general agriculture materials or information to just crop production. And even from the get-go, from the start of my channel, I was more skewed towards crop production, right? But in my mind, I was saying, I don't want to kind of niche down too quick and, not having enough content to post, not having enough information. But originally, crop production is my thing, right? And even starting this channel, I knew that I was going to niche down at some point, but I didn't want to do it too quick, right? Or too early. So C-AgriTech, Mario Communicating Agriculture Technology, I think it is a bit too general now, seeing that I am doing mostly crop production videos. So I am basically thinking about a name that really have me in this crop production category, plant production category. So what I was thinking about is basically changing the channel name now to my name, right? So my name is Mario Smith. So I was planning to just change the channel name to Mario Smith. However, I did not want to just leave it as just Mario Smith, right? I wanted to add something else with it to kind of tell you also what the channel is about. So I was thinking about the word agronomy, and many of you might know what agronomy means, right? So let me just give you just a quick overview of what agronomy means. So it's taking care of the soil and taking care of plants and making one work for the other, right? So it's like a symbiotic relationship where both benefits, right? And you take care of both of them, right? So you use soil to enhance plant growth and whatever, because remember at the end of the day, plant materials break down, go back to the soil, help to build the soil biomass, soil health. So it's basically putting both soil and plants together, studying both of them, and having the best of both worlds, right? So that is what agronomy is in a nutshell. And that is what I've been doing. That is what I've been doing for a very long time now. So I was thinking along the lines of maybe um, Mario Smith, agronomist, right? Like Mario Smith with an hyphen, then agronomist, or agronomy with Mario. So those are basically the two names I am thinking about so far. So what I'm really asking is, I'm really putting this out there just to not surprise you, right? Just so that if there should be any changes, you would know that yes, it's me and this is what I am doing, this is why I'm doing it. So I'm not kind of surprising you, right? I'm getting you involved. So why do I want to change the channel name? As I said before, the channel name that I have now, it is too general, it is too broad, and I'm seeing now where I'm kind of, you know, niching down with doing only crop production videos. And as I said, those are the videos that I was doing mostly. But so I want my channel to reflect that, my channel name to reflect that I am basically kind of niching into the crop side of agriculture, right? So and I am basically an aspiring agronomist. Basically, I'm learning every day. I don't know everything, so I am basically just learning as I go. So I'm an agronomist by profession. So I want my channel to reflect that I am an agronomist, right? So that is the reason why I want to change the channel name. So yeah, that is basically it. This, I just wanted to put it out there for you to give me your feedback on it, right? Um, and you know, just think about the reasons I gave to you. As I said, agronomy is basically my profession, and I'm basically building a brand, you know. So um, I wanted to reflect truly what I really am, right? So think about it, give me your feedback. And right now, the my channel heart, if you look on it, know maybe some of you might have some questions about it, like what it is saying, what does it mean. So if you go on my channel art, you will see right away that I'm doing crop production videos. Those are the exact words that I use, crop production videos. Right in the lower left hand corner of the channel art, you will see crop production videos. So those are the videos that I'm doing. I'm doing everything related to crop production basically. And then now you will see an image, right, of a meal, basically that meal, and that meal is basically me, cartoon me, right? And we have a few hands. We have 3 hands, and then we have a seed that germinates, and then you see it gradually getting bigger and bigger, and it's like the hands at the right hand corner is like, you know, is, you know, kind of looking and wondering, and then one of the ants is like looking at me and asking how did it do that. So what is it, what does this mean? The ant is basically asking how the seed left from germinating out of the ground to being a large, productive plant, right? And if you look into it, that is where a lot of lessons lies. You know, you have a seed germinating, that is an entire process that is very technical, and a lot of information there. And from germinating to producing fruits, it's basically a whole set of other factors that is involved there: nutrition, environmental factors, everything. So from seed to an adult plant producing, you know, that is basically the essence of what the channel is. We talk about a lot of environmental factors, we talk about soil factors, you know, and then no, majority of how the plant grows, it kind of centers around what happens to a seed when it grows, when it germinates and grows to an adult. It goes through an entire phase, or different phase of interaction with the environment, interaction with the soil, for it to become an adult plant. So that is why, you know, the Hans is asking, how did it do that? How did it do that? How did it leave from being a small seed, germinating and reaching to a big plant? So, you know, and they are seeking information, how, you know. So, and as I said, a lot of information would come out from, in that discussion when you ask, how did it do that? There's a lot of things, you know. So that is basically the idea behind that channel heart. So when you see it, don't be confused. And then now, to me, the channel heart already have my name on it, Mario Smith. So um, I, I feel like I want to basically change the channel name to my name, Mario Smith, but I want to add the whole agronomy aspect to it. But I don't want the channel name to kind of shift away from the crop production videos. I just want everything to tie into one, right? So just tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this. As I said, I didn't want to just throw it out there in terms of just put it up on my channel and you're saying, whoa, what is this? What is going on? So I just wanted to come and explain all of this so you can give me your feedback, right? And yeah, I hope that was enough information for you to kind of give me your feedback as to, you know, how we move forward. Just put your feedback in the comment section. Please remember to ask any questions and subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and I'll see you again in another video.